Hey everyone, Mike Rosehart here, doing a video quickly at one of our rental properties. You guys remember the foundation was all dug up. We've now got it delta wrapped all the way around, which is great. Stop the water leaks. And here we go inside. You guys haven't been in here in a while, but we found a leak up in the ceiling right here, and we are fixing the roof. We're gonna put a brand new roof on and change the slope on the roof so we just guarantee you don't have any issues. Ice and water is gonna be added. Because this room up here is the upper room in the place. Got laundry, stairs, all new windows ordered for this property. Get it all drywalled, good to go. Down here we've got maybe just like 6'8", so it is a bit tight. Just your exit right to the outside. Let's go around, check out the first room here. Can have almost a headroom, but we got nice egress windows here that open right up. So this is the room here. There you have it. Someone spilled the coffee. It's all spray foamed in here, nice. Brand new furnace, 96% efficient. Was installed, guys. There we go. Okay. Furnace room. Out here we've got our kitchen. Got a nice kitchen going on. Got brand new windows ordered. Out here we got a hallway into what is the bathroom. We have a vanity there. And with the shower boarded with the tile backer concrete board. It's gonna be ready to be tiled. And she's looking good. Toilet on. It's gonna be nice in here. Let's go check out the living room here. It's kind of a bit of a mess, but that's where you mount your TV, and you have a hutch, and then you have your couches, 1 and 2. This room's maybe 11 by 10, so small room. And then you got another bedroom off the living room here. Where is the light switch in this room? There she is. We've got full size, again, egress windows in all of my units, proper drainage into the weeping system, and proper window wells. Got to put new light bulbs in. They're missing the pot lights, so we'll put those in. And yeah, once we got the lights in here, it'll look really good. Living room right here, and then we got another bedroom in here. Not a bedroom, but this is more of an office actually. It does have proper egress window like the other rooms, but yeah. There you go. Got a box in that panel there, but she is replaced. We had to take off all of the drywall and redo everything because of the issues we were having with the moisture on the outside. We ended up replacing everything on the inside. So there you have it, guys. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Promised you guys a tour. Turn the lights off, because save on power. It's gonna be more of a vlog style video. Boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Let's go upstairs, straight outside, separate entrance. At the back, beautiful backyard, as you guys know. We've been in this room up here. This is like the +1 bedroom for the unit, and this will be walled in here. Again, we took the drywall off to have easier access between the units, but we'll put the drywall back on. In here, what you have, you guys can see it. This will be the kitchen layout. You can envision this is going to be walled in, and there's going to be stackable laundry in there, and then storage up above, of course. And this is where our fridge is going to go. Light switch is going to be blank plated, and new light switch over here. And we're going to have a full corner kitchen, all brand new windows going in, and then an island right off here, straight down, with 2-3 benches to sit at. So it'll be very awesome. Feel really nice in this kitchen. Got a bedroom in here. So you can see we've raised the ceilings up a full foot. They were shy. They had a drop ceiling and it was gross. So we redid that. So that's been great. You see, we're gonna have new trim in here. We're gonna put this closet out nice, good sized rooms. And we got a bathroom here it needs renovation. But there's vanity goes back there. This will get all tiled, nice. New plumbing fixtures and a brand new toilet will go on here. New windows, new paint, everything be done nice. As you guys can see, we have 10-foot ceilings in here. Beautiful, beautiful height to the ceilings. We're working on patching it. We had a water leak there, so we had to take all that out, and we're redoing that. We've added in some things like a bench here for, you sit down, take your shoes off, and get to enjoy the foyer space. We'll turn this into a wainscoting. Come in, sit down at the bench, we'll have hooks. And you have a foyer area here. New light fixtures, you have a big living room. Imagine your TV on this wall here. And yeah, you have a couple of couches. And then you'd have a nice big room in here. This room's like 13 by 12 or something to that extent. So big room in here. New window going in, which would be great. New floors, of course, everywhere. And then you have room number 3 as well, which is being drywalled to take away the fact that we have gross paneling in here. So we've converted and changed over to drywall. So progress is being made in here. We still gotta close in a few spots here, and I'm gonna spray the ceiling to cover up the fact that there's some imperfections. So we're gonna match it all by spraying the ceiling. That's the plan. There you go, guys. You got a tour, and we got a beautiful front deck, but 3-bedroom up, 3-bed down +1. Beautiful. When this is all done, we're gonna get well over $3,000 a month in rent and $267 purchase price. Hoping $30,000 to $40,000 in renovation. I'm going all out now. I didn't want to do brand new kitchens with quartz, but I've decided I'm going to do that now. And some other small upgrades that I've done to the property, like insulation. We've blown in insulation, spray foam into the walls, and did the attics and all of that. So these are things I didn't want to have to do, but I did. And so now the house is going to be super energy efficient, like brand new furnace and all these kinds of things. So there you have it. Here's a project update live. One of the 3-4 projects that I have going on right now. Anyway, cheers, guys.